probably read the instructions.
Is it stereotypical to say that you wouldn't?
I really wouldn't read the instructions. It's like playing a video game. It really is. Like, when I had played Zelda for the first time, I had to figure it out on my own. You could just go buy the video game guide. And it's like, oh, this is what is around every corner, and this is where all the secrets are. Any game I've ever played with a guide, little crank tightener. Oh yeah, hey, I love this.
Can you bend over and not tip off? Wow.
It's not even tight. Try to tighten it up a little bit. They say the best thing about this helmet is this clear glass. And then you've got ear plugs, muffs.
Do those mount to the helmet?
Yeah. You
Wow.
don't have to use them. And you could use your own style if you wanted to.
Those are nice. Are those just standalone earplugs if you need them?
No, I don't think they mount together. I think they mount physically to the helmet. Oh, yeah. Can you hear anything? My whole ear fits inside them.
Wow, that says a lot.
And I can hear you. Like, just subtly.
What am I saying?
What am I saying?
Let's go to bed.
Let's go to bed. It's gonna be something like that.
What do you got?
Huh?
What are you reading?
I was just looking at the picture. What?
I saw you. Would you like some help?
No thanks. It goes something like this on here. I know I'm really close to solving this puzzle. Cool.
It's like that block game for little ones, but more advanced.
Or it's just as hard. There's like a way to do it that's easier than the way I'm doing it. I just want to wear it. It's like Christmas. Yeah. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet! It just fits right on. Oh, yeah. Man, this thing is comfy. Wow. All right. I'll do the rest of it tomorrow. I'm ready for bed.
Let's go to bed. That probably mounts your, whatever that's called. Your shield.
So comfy. This is great.
It probably wouldn't fit my head then at all.
Yeah, it will.
Well?
Yeah.
A big old noggin.
It's gonna fit your head. This is great.
Good night.
Good night.